It's alleged that you've picked up a large case of mini eggs and left the store without paying. Did you do this?
No comment.
No comment, okay. Tell me what you know about this.
No comment.
Where were you on the 5th of February 2026 at 10 p.m?
No comment.
As with any interview, I do have to caution you, alright? So you do not have to say anything that may harm your defence if you do not mention, when questioned, something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. I have a legal obligation to ensure that you understand the caution. The caution is broken down into 3 parts. The first part being quite simply that you don't have to answer.
I don't have to say anything if I don't want to. If I don't say anything now and then I say it in court, it doesn't look good. So, well, yeah.
Okay. How will they know that it's in court?
Well, because if I get to court, yeah, by the recordings, they're going to play the recordings in court and, well, why didn't you say this now and you're saying it later? So it's not really going to help your case. So it's better off to be full and frank about your offending.
So it's alleged that on the 30th of January 2026, at approximately 10:40 hours, you've entered Tesco Express in Whitchurch in the company of a female and stolen AU cans and Prosecco to the value of £60. So it's alleged that on the 2nd of February 2026, you've attended Tesco on Station Road in Chepstow at 7:47 p.m. with a female, and you've both stole several items amounting to £271.70. So we move on now to the 4th of February 2026. This is an incident again in Tesco Whitchurch. So it's alleged that on the 4th of February 2026, you've attended Tesco Whitchurch at approximately 3:25 p.m. During this time, you have filled a shopping bag up with meat and fish valued at approximately £200. Are you responsible for this?
No comment.
Tell me what you know about this.
No comment.
It's alleged that on the 7th of February 2026, at approximately 6:35 p.m, you've attended Cooperative Food in Caldecott with 2 females and have stolen various items by placing them to a B&M bag totalling £167.60. Did you do this?
No comment.
Okay.